Word. Diamonds all in my brain. Gold watches, gold chains. 100,000 champagne. So I get love for that. Stole my swag, but I don't want it back. I was on this, but now I'm on to that. You see it in my closet, for it's on the rack. Was out there in Hawaii, now I'm going back. I got so much money, I should start a bank. So much paper right in front of me, it's hard to think. Buy so many bottles, it's gonna be hard to drink. But I'm still growing up, and my family here, and they go. Pop your pretty in this car. Bitch, I'm out this world, girl, you know I'm a star. Used to buy rounds, but now we buy the bar. Last year they had to ask, now they know who we are. Walk in the building, I own. Get your own work, get your own cars, get your own clothes, get your own smoke, get your own. You ain't rapping my game, get your own clique. The bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Well, I'm doing mine, cause my money low. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is the bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Well, I'm doing mine, cause my money low. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. Where I come from, no. Do whatever it is that you gotta do, that's your job. And gon' hate, but that's no problem. So hate them, don't need nothing from them. Some words talking, but the claim it don't mean nothing. It's straight from Cali, that's what's in my joint, that's what I'm puffin'. OG, and been one since I was young enough to know that everybody was gonna know me. Most don't see. The bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is the bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Work.